Disclaimer: this video is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Rocket Lab is one of the most exciting and ambitious companies in the private space industry. With a focus on reliable small satellite launches and expanding into reusable, heavy-lift rockets, the company is positioning itself for long-term success. In this video, we'll explore the most important events and achievements of Rocket Lab during 2025 so far. We'll also consider what investors should keep an eye on as the year progresses. The first quarter of 2025 marked a strong financial start for Rocket Lab. The company reported $123 million in revenue, representing 32% growth year over year. This growth was driven by a high cadence of Electron launches and expanding customer demand. Importantly, Rocket Lab beat analyst expectations for both revenue and earnings per share in Q1. By mid-2025, Rocket Lab has completed 8 successful Electron launches. The latest took place in June, deploying a Japanese iQPS satellite named the Mountain God Guards. The Electron rocket continues to be one of the most reliable small launchers in the world. It's become the backbone of the company's revenue stream, especially in a market where consistency matters more than ever. Among the major customers this year were iQPS, BlackSky, OroraTech, and Kinéis. These missions show Rocket Lab's global reach and strong reputation among satellite operators. The company's ability to maintain high launch frequency is a key differentiator. Few other small launch providers can match Rocket Lab's reliability and on-time performance. But Rocket Lab isn't stopping at small rockets. The development of its reusable heavy-lift rocket Neutron is one of the most ambitious engineering efforts in the space industry. In 2025, Rocket Lab has made major strides in Neutron development. Several pressure, cryogenic, and stage integration tests have been completed successfully. One of the biggest milestones came when the company hot-fired its Archimedes engine at 102% power. This marks a critical step toward validating Neutron's core propulsion system. Construction of the Neutron launch complex at Wallops Island is also progressing steadily. Rocket Lab has confirmed that the launch pad and test infrastructure are on track for a 2026 inaugural launch. The company has also revealed a new marine landing platform for Neutron recovery at sea. This approach is similar to SpaceX's barge landings, but tailored for Rocket Lab's own design philosophy. Beyond rockets, Rocket Lab's Space Systems division has become a quiet powerhouse. The company now designs and manufactures satellite components, reaction wheels, star trackers, and full spacecraft platforms. These systems are not only sold to other satellite companies, but also used in Rocket Lab's own missions. It's a vertically integrated model that strengthens margins and operational control. In 2025, Rocket Lab announced expanded operations in Canada and the UK. These moves are part of a strategy to diversify manufacturing and access regional contracts. On the government side, Rocket Lab continues to deepen its role in defense and intelligence. The company is involved in multiple U.S. government programs, including those with the Department of Defense, Air Force Research Lab, and NRO. These contracts include satellite delivery, space-based sensing systems, and hypersonic research support. Rocket Lab's proven launch record and U.S.-based operations give it a natural edge in winning classified missions. Analyst sentiment has been largely positive in 2025. Several firms have raised their price targets to $30.35 per share, and roughly 70% of analysts now recommend a buy rating. The stock price itself has risen nearly 60% year-to-date. Much of this gain was driven by strong Q1 results, new contract announcements, and Neutron's engineering progress. However, there are risks to consider. Developing a heavy-lift reusable rocket is capital-intensive and technically complex. Rocket Lab will likely need to raise additional capital in 2025 or 2026 to fund Neutron's full production and testing. Delays could impact investor confidence and cause volatility in the share price. There's also competition. SpaceX dominates the reusable launch market, and new players like Relativity Space and ABL Space are targeting similar payload classes. That said, Rocket Lab is carving out a niche by focusing on medium payloads, government customers, and full-stack spacecraft services. It's not trying to beat SpaceX at its own game, it's playing a different one. Looking ahead, Q2 results are expected in early August. The company has guided revenue in the range of $130 to $140 million. If achieved, this would bring total revenue for the first half of 2025 to over $250 million, a new milestone for Rocket Lab. We should also expect updates on Neutron's second-stage assembly, static fire campaigns, and more defense-related partnerships in the months ahead. The company has hinted at a possible demo mission involving both launch and on-orbit services before the year ends. If that happens, it would mark a major leap in Rocket Lab's capabilities. In summary, Rocket Lab's 2025 has been defined by strong execution, technological progress, and strategic positioning. From reliable small launches to ambitious heavy-lift development, the company is operating on multiple fronts. For investors, the key themes to watch are Neutron milestones, funding announcements, new contract wins, and Q2, Q3 financial performance. Whether you're already invested or just curious, Rocket Lab is a company that continues to shape the future of space access and infrastructure. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more updates. Have a great day.